Well, welcome to the vlog. Packy's camera was charging because we had some technical difficulties overnight. Or he did, not me. Like I came prepared. I have 5 total batteries, and they were all charged, ready to go. But
Packy be more prepared.
Packy is now vlogging, and he just won his match. I got swept by Dom. I didn't bowl the best. Yeah, I had a chance the first frame or the first game.
The first frame and the first game.
The first
did
frame.
Have a chance.
Yeah. So I needed a double in the 10th, didn't get it, and then I got steamrolled after that. Just didn't bowl very well. But
good news is you didn't bowl well in the cut.
Jake and Kev are tied 2-2, and they're duking it out.
Nice match. Great bowling, gentlemen.
Kev. Spares. Spares. Wait, Kev, what'd you say?
Spares.
Alright guys, Trevor Roberts here. I am filming for Packy again and for the house channel, so if you guys can do me a favor, hit the link that's right there, or in the description down below. Hit that link, and it'll take you to my YouTube channel, which is Trevor Roberts, just my name. And please hit that subscribe button. It helps out more than you know. Appreciate it, and let's see if Packy makes the show again.
Hey guys.
Hey,
Kevin's the 1 seed.
I'm the 1 seed.
Madison's here and she's leaving
Madison's
us.
here.
She's leaving us.
She's leaving us. Let's see how it is. Get the.
Kevin, are you ready?
Hey!
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go win a title.
Let's go Titletown USA.
Destination Titletown USA. Let's get it.
I've been typing it into the GPS and I still ain't found it. So maybe Cyrus will take us where we need to go. I've been in the sun, getting after it,
Yeah, he's ready. He's ready.
anyways. Hi, what's going on?
How we feeling?
Good.
Ready?
Ready.
As ready as we'll ever be.
Ready as I'll ever be, for sure.
I noticed you were shooting some spares.
No?
Can't see the footage, but that was spare footage.
Only reason I shot a couple spares is because I only have my spare ball here, not because they matter that much. Hey, to the Charlotte Hornets announcer, I need you to come down. I need you to announce this title match for me. So if I strike, you can be like, Keven Williams, oh my God.
Insert clip of Miles Bridges.
Miles Bridges!
We like that ball.
Yeah, we do. Watch, I'll show you why we like it. 7 count, coming right up.
More like 10 count.
Too bad I'm not throwing it because it's not purple.
I haven't won at you yet. When it's been recorded.
Late night, too lit. Work calling new phone this. Got a bad one, too thick.
I'm living or dying by this. I just threw a 4-bagger. It looked amazing. Ride till we die, baby. Bad boys for life.
Got one either. No, my dogs are here. We kicking it like FIFA. Yeah, 'cause the party won't last forever.
That's what hits that.
So,
Kev's trying to make his first pit stop to Titletown, USA here. He's got one game. He's gonna need to show up. There's some high scores on this TV show today, so it's gonna be all about making good shots and hopefully throwing a couple of 8-baggers, as Kevin would say. 1 8-bagger. I bet he'll make that pit stop.